Yo, what is happening, man? Yo, welcome, man. Welcome if you tune into the stream, man. Welcome, man. Figure out how to work everything. Boop, 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 pop, 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 pop. Let's get it. Let's get it. Man, gold has pulled down into the zone that we have been waiting for price to move in. So we're just trying to be patient and wait for the kill zone now. So things are starting to line up. We got price had moved to the edge of value on this and bounce off the edge of value, looking to see if they pierce below it any, or if this weekly low is going to hold as support. We got a whole hour until we back inside the kill zone, man. So let me see. Got a whole hour. Yeah, man. I don't know if they're gonna bounce off this level or not. So I want to sit on my hands and wait till kill zone, close to the kill zone. Let me put me on some tunes. Play some of that gangster shit. Oh. I have a feeling that they're gonna like they're gonna impulsively spike down uh aggressively before they give us that nice entry because I wanted to get in right here, but it's just too early. We got 1 hour before the kill zone, so like I'm trying to get him time to kind of do that flush out move, you know. I mean, this is excess, you know what I'm saying? So like, according to my rules, it'd be cool to get in right now, but um, but it's just that it's outside of the kill zone. They outside of the Asian range. We're starting to get rejection. They outside of value. Uh, yeah, man. I want to see if they come try to test this weekly low. It's like almost an engulfing candle. I mean, the safe bet would be to let them break out to the upside and then come back and test edge of value just to make sure they done down here. But they could do this whole funky sweep shit and just kind of swing down out of nowhere, swing down, sweet chariot, let me ride, swing down on Jerry stop and let me ride. 819. So the 20 still ain't there. And 2706. Man, I was gonna trade my prop account tonight, and oh shit, huh? I was gonna trade my prop account tonight, and I ended up hitting my target early, so it was a $4,000 of profit, and I think I passed this shit now. Hold on, my target was 20,706. I'm at 20,645. So it means tomorrow I literally got to get $30 to pass this eval. So just wait on it. Oh, excuse me. That's solid. Once I pass, that's a 300K eval. My profit target was 20,000. That's the biggest profit target I had to focus on. So like, and I pulled it off within like a little bit less than 3 weeks. So I'm like, shit. If I can do that on the eval, shit, I can run it up myself. 20 bands in a month. 20 bands in 30 days. 20 bands in 30 days or less. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, well. Hell yeah. Let me get some tunes in this bit. See, like the thing I dislike about Riverside is they won't let me run no tunes through the thing, man. You know, you got to play whatever music they got available to you, and like you can upload your own, but it's just the fact of uploading, a whole bunch of your own music and shit. Like yeah, they don't. It's not like it really, let you go in on playing a little soundtrack, background music, shit like that. They don't want us to be great, man. They don't want us to be great. It's okay. Another Quello. She love me in the morning, man. Okay, so we got more bounces off of this area here. So I'm wondering if they're just filling in the volume on the price ladder on the Dom. I don't want to take it just yet. Mm. So we got 55 minutes to just sit here and wait for the kill zone. 55 minutes, man. Already locked in. 250 for the night on this account. Let's see if we can run up another 500 at least. That'd be good. If I can run up another band, that'd be very good. Very good. Yeah, they moving really slow in this area, so I wanna see some impulsive activity before I'm interested again. The impulsive knee jerk reaction. Man, y'all hit I went way over on my TFD target tonight, man. Man, hold on, let me bring it over here so you can see it. My target for TFD tonight was $390. And I could have sworn I set my stop. I think I set the stop for half of it and by mistake. But yep, that's what it was because it took I got in 10 contracts right here, shorted right here. It stalled and then it moved right here. I had moved my stop to protect it and then went ahead to take a nap so I could get up for London session. And I had a take profit right here, but it was only for half of the amount. So it hit that take profit, and then it kept dropping, bounced back up a little bit, and then started dropping some more. And it was still five contracts, and I woke up and it was $700 in profit. So yeah, I was way over on target today, but yeah, just wrote down all the details of my setup and everything because this was inside of the Asian kill zone. I waited until the Asian kill zone hours to actually execute. You had a short rejection off of 50% of the Asian range. So like if I do this because I did it on my I did it on the trading view profile. Hold on, let me do this here. 17 and okay, so this is not gonna show as the same way because in real time it was it was it was like this, right? So price had pierced down and made this low and then pushed back. Hold up, this right here. So it pushed down, made that low, and then pushed back up to 50% of the range, and that was just below the daily high. And they rejected right there. I shorted right in here on this pullback. So it pulled back, and I seen they start rejecting here, and we shorted and got in that move for it to push on down. So now that price is outside, just outside of value, and it's starting to reject, this is a possible area where it could reverse. So but yeah, we had an Asian range mid rejection, a order flow flip. You had the delta flip negative, and then you had impulsive price action, for the entry, and that was enough confluence for me to want to go ahead and get in. And you see these different entries, that I had added in and everything. Um, yeah, so bro made my notes. I held my trade a bit longer than what I wanted and overshot to the target, you know. But overall, it was a good trade. It was a good trade, you know. Rated it a 9 out of 10, you know. So like when you're journaling, man, you gotta make all these notes, man, because at the end of the week, you gotta sit down and you gotta look over all this, So I had these are my pre-session notes that I had wrote down. Now I also put my trading view recap that I had did. I do a trading view recap every day, and I include that trading view recap in my notes that I make for the day. You know what I'm saying? That way, when I come back to look at everything, then I got everything in detail that I want to pay attention to. Yeah, they done rejected from this area multiple times, yo. So now I'm starting to wonder if it's on. I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it yet. They could do something funky in the next 45 minutes. We not taking no impulsive moves tonight, man. We not taking no impulsive moves. We waiting for price to come to us. Let's look at what old dollar doing, man. See what they talking about. What they talking about. What they talking about. Okay. That might be a problem right here. What I'm looking at on a very small time frame on a 30-second. It looks like they're about to break out, yo. And dollar has retraced. Oh, we in there, man. We in there, man. Dollar and can't. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Dollar came to test the previous daily high. They can still push up and grab this gap right here, and that could push gold down to come for this weekly low level. We're gonna wait, man. We're gonna give them 45 more minutes before we touch it. We're gonna give them 45 more minutes before we touch it. I like the fact that it bounced off of 50% of the range, just above 50% of the range. But I'm gonna wait till they come and test this area right here. Hold on, man. What I'm going to use now is this 1 hour fair value gap as my target, so they can come down to 50% of this. Ooh, man, my impulse is getting to me, man. I want to get in, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. We're not taking no impulsive moves today. We're not taking no impulsive moves today. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on down there. Come on down. We're gonna give them 30 more minutes before we interested in taking anything. How y'all feeling tonight, man? I hope everybody trades going good. Oh, boy. Y'all know they don't just call me Woods. They call me the Night Night Trader.
You ever go night night, nigga? You ever go night night, nigga? Everybody go night night, nigga.
Square business, man. What's happening with you, Dennis? Hope your trading day is going well. Yeah, we're gonna let them finish what they doing. Cause they trying to entice buyers to get in. It looks good. It looks good, but it's just outside of kill zone. That's the only thing. It's just outside of kill zone. Gotta wait for this kill zone, man. 33.74. Oh, boy. Excuse me. 33.73.4 right there. Man, my computer moving slow today, man. Slow as molasses. Okay, it's starting to break down again on the 32nd. It looked like it was about to break out on the 32nd. I was like, damn, did they leave me? But now they're looking like they're about to come back down here, grab some of this. We'll let them clean that up first before we get active. Oh, yeah. Sorry, man. I'm an American 8 to 5 worker. Pretty sleepy right now. I had to give me a little power nap before the session, so that I can make sure that I'm alert. But yeah, as soon as I give me a nice entry and I can move my stop, we gonna let that bad boy ride, man. Cause this tonight it's liable to be a runner, man. Let me see what kind of news we got in the morning, because the news could be the catalyst to send this bad boy pushing well above the previous daily high, and all up here, So let's see, what do we have? Square business, Danish. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm messing your name up. Um, but yeah, man, just waiting for that right entry. It looks good to me right now in this moment. But the only thing is, it's just outside the kill zone, man. I got 40 more minutes into the kill zone, so I feel like they could within that 40 minutes they could do some type of spike down, and kind of finish doing what they're doing down here, But we ain't gonna rush it, man. If they end up breaking to the upside, we'll just catch the retest. See, this is a hard area to break through because this is at the edge of value. So it's kind of hard for them to break any lower than that. Yep, that's the edge of value that they bounced off of. Man, I wanted to take that. It's just outside of my thing, man. 8:45. You got flash, man. Edge of value is holding. I think I'm finna enter at the edge of value. And my stop is gonna be below the weekly low. We don't have much news tomorrow. Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, and unemployment claims. Unemployment claims. And Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. What the fuck is that? I don't even know what that is. But we do have unemployment tomorrow, so that can move some shit. Yeah, the fact that they kind of dancing right here at the edge of value, it tells me that they might not want to come down here. Nah, I don't trust it. It might spike now. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Being indecisive tonight. Oh, the what is that right? Oh, this is Dom. I trade the Dom, the Delta market, so that I can see order flow. You know what I'm saying? Because order flow is important to me because I can see when the bulls get active, when the bears get active, which side is getting impatient. You know what I mean? And this is inside of value. Here's a point of control. This is a VWAP. This is inside of value. This is outside of value. And before this outside of value was created, and it was like just a little bit of it, there was lack of excess. That gave me indication that they wanted to push down more and create that excess before they decided they want to reverse. And so that's what they did. And now I'm kind of just waiting for prices inside of value. I kind of wanted to come outside of value just one more time to give us an entry for the kill zone, and then we can go ahead and proceed and run to this other side, man. But like looking at the price ladder has became a key foundation to my process of finding sniper entries, bro. So I can get my entries with less than doggone 10, 15 ticks, a drawdown. So I found out if I'm wrong, quick. If I'm wrong, cut it. Then we wait. We sit on our hands. We wait. Yeah, this what they creating is a bear flag on a 30 second, so they can still push down. Let me see. There's a bear flag on the 15. There's a bear flag on the 5 minute. All right, so under 25 on the 5, right at it on the 15, over it on the hour, under it on the 4 hour, under it on the 8 hour, under it on the daily, over it on the weekly. So we're not set the trend just yet. So I think they might do one more flush, and then it'll be ready to go, ready to rock, ready to rock. Yeah, I want them to come outside of value now. So, 67. Let's see, at 3370, 3370.1. So yeah, that's about where I want. 30, 3373.4. Yeah, that's where I want my entry. Right in there. So and then this to this, you give me a good 200 tick move. And that should run up the band that I'm looking for tonight. Yeah, so we just need that impulse to spike down. Man, a bullish engulfing count on the 15. Just the fact that they did it at 220, 215 or whatever. Sometimes you gotta get a good stretch in, you know. Yep, they trying to entice, man. I would have got in. Old me would have got in already. But new me is trying to be more patient, man. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Man, the fact that they holding inside of the Asian range, that's kind of jacking with me right now. So yeah, holding right there at the Asian range. So yeah, they rejected off of the top of the Asian range and started breaking down again. So that's a good indication. And they're doing it right at 230. That's a good indication that they're gonna give us a kill zone entry, that impulsive spike down. Yeah, they giving that impulsive action, man. You that they're trying to get some knee jerk reactions right here in this area. I am not taking anything until 15 till, man. Got to stick to my rules, man. Got to stick to my rules. We get paid to wait. We get paid to wait, man. Oh. Yeah, it looks like they're doing a bearish flag. Mm. They trying to leave me, man. They trying to leave me. Man, they done took out. Motherfucker. That's all right, man. That's all right. We'll wait. We'll wait. We will wait. I don't want to get in too early. So now that area 3380.2. 3380.2. Gonna come down one more time and give us an entry. Ran off on the plug twice. Trying to leave, boy, man. Oh, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, V. V. Seth. For real, man. I've been trying to build my little old following on they wild. They wild. All right. Fuck it. We in there. Dollar is breaking down. Dollar is breaking down. So we are in. We are in. They are not going to give that spike up to that fair value gap. I wanted them to go for that fair value gap, but um, they're not trying to go for it. They rejected off of the daily. So if that's how they're gonna play it, that's how they're gonna play it, man. And we got a rejection off of 50% of the range. So all right. So we don't want them to come outside of value no more. Now they need to go to the other side of value. We're gonna set our take profit up here. Let me see what is our target. Our target is at least a daily high, 3394.1, 3390. Oh, I already have it marked. Okay, so we get a breakout above that. Our next possible target will be all the way to the other side of value. 34, 34, 34, 34, right there. All right, so we'll trail it all the way up there if we get a breakout above the daily high. Yeah, I try to let everybody know on my trading view that I'll be live tonight. So if you have been following me on trading view for a while, trading view show me some love every now and then, and post my posting on the front board or whatever, so more people see it. So they messaged me a couple of times, "Hey, your post has been selected." I was like, "Oh, that's pretty cool." All right, so they probably finna dance right here for the next 4 minutes, and once we hit 15 till, then they'll start pushing up, and they'll go for that point of control, push up above the point of control. Man, this is a game of patience, bro. That's all it is. It's a game of patience. We get paid to wait. Yep, they are not giving the entry that I want. So this is entry. Let's 3382. 3378. 3378. Bulls are taking over. The Bears are not really active right now. So they kind of being hesitant on it. The Bulls are on it. You see how you got much more bull activity than you have bear activity right here in this range right here. So let's have a look at the footprint, get a good idea of what's going on with that. Now I look at this footprint to see what's going. Ooh, look at that. You see how you had all they trapped the bears. Yeah, they trapped the bears. So you see how Price had all these bears active. You know what I'm saying? Especially like right here, they were extremely active, and then they got stuck, and it was nobody active here. And this is the 1 hour chart. So this is 2, 1, 12, 11. There's 10 o'clock when they stopped get active. Then the bears started to get active as we came to the end of the Asian range, and then they got trapped right here in this range right here. Now they're pushing up, and the bulls have taken control. So as long as we don't come back below this point here, and it's off to the races, man. It's off to the races. I think they're trying to change the ADX now. Let's see. Yep, ADX is starting to flip up to push over 25. We just need them to go on and do that. Barely they on the edge on the 15, and they over it on the hour. So, and we need to flip back on the 4 hour. Yeah, so that's dope. That's dope. Let's see. Yeah, so now I think they're going ahead and reversing now. And we just waiting for the kill zone now. We got 15 minutes to the kill zone. This is now the time where I officially start going ahead and considering entries. So if I would have waited for the kill zone, I would have waited till right now before taking the entry. I took it about 3 minutes early. But this is all good. We finna get this runner, man. We finna get this runner, man. We finna get this runner. We got a low for the week on Tuesday. And break to the upside. Let's see this. Low for the week on Tuesday. Wednesday. Low for the week on Wednesday. So I think statistically, if we have a low for the week on a Wednesday, there's a higher probability that we can end up with a high Friday, with a high for the week on Friday. So we can end up going bullish from now until Friday sometimes. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just a trader, man. I'm just a trader. I'm on a mission to give me a truck, man. So one of these days when y'all see one of them like when I start decided if I ever decide to start doing lifestyle videos and I post that truck, man, be like, oh, Woods did it, man. He did it. Yeah, but I got my eyes on a truck, man, and that's like my short term motivation to run up a bag right quick. I don't know why it don't show me the chat on my doggone Riverside screen no more. What the first 2 nights I did stream, it showed me my chat on my Riverside, but now it don't want to show me my chat no more. So I had to doggone watch my feed, my live stream from my other channel on my phone, so I can see what y'all saying to me. You know what I'm saying? So what's happening in action? Big dog. Hope you're doing good, man, on your side of the world. There we go. There we go. We got impulsive action now. We got a little bit of impulsive action trying to push up. We get above this VWAP. We can start pumping. We can start pumping. what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday. So I'm gonna pass my 300K eval tomorrow on Friday, and Monday we be ready to rock, man. We be ready to rock. Square business, big dog. Trying to get you these moves on gold tonight. Well, it's morning time over there for you right now. Hope y'all got your coffee, your juice. You're feeling good, feeling great. I kind of wanted to take it right there at 50% of that fair value gap too, man. That would have been a great entry. It just, man, it just happened right outside of my stuff, man. I was in a short. I was in a short from Asian session, and I shorted it right around here. And they pulled back to test it just one more time, and then inside of the kill zone, and then shorted, and I took profit like right here, and then no, I took profit in this candle as it started pushing up, and then I was hesitant to get back in for the long right there, So I wanted to play it safe and wait for the kill zone before we went in and get in. Then I came on live, and after I had closed that short position. We still got about like 7 minutes, 7 8 minutes for the kill zone. 6 minutes for the kill zone. 6 minutes and 40 seconds to the kill zone. Oh boy. They giving time for everybody to get in. So if y'all trying to get in, man, this is the era right here, man. It's the era right here. I'm gonna have to give me one of them switchboards, man. One of them switchboards where you run the mic in there and had a little sound effects and all that for podcasting and shit. That way I can play a little background music in this joint. I be liking for my streams to be a whole vibe, man. For you come up in here, you feel relaxed, man. You're trading with woods, man. You know what I'm saying? Got some good tunes playing and everything. Man, let me go get me a little snack or something right quick. As soon as I step away for a second, they start trying to pull back. That's all good. We right at the kill zone now. Bear's trying to take control. There we go. You got absorption going on. Yeah, HEB got some good chips, man. This 4 hour is a 4 hour rejection. Yeah, if they come outside of value, then I have to wait to see if they come and sweep this H1 fair value gap. Ooh, they want to be slow tonight. They want to drag tonight. It's because that news in the morning. Yeah, if they play in this area too long, and I cut my losses, man, I cut this shit short and wait till in the morning when news is gonna happen. I'm thinking that this is a decent entry, so because if they're going to use news to flip dollar bearish and flip gold back bullish, then I need them to push above this fair value gap here, well at least above 50% of the Asian range, and then I can expect for this area to hold that support as we come into news time for New York, and it pushes above all this. So if we get a breakout above the point of controls, then I move my stop there to cover it. Y'all drink iced coffee, man? Who rocks with coffee, man? You got a little iced coffee joint. I found at the grocery store the other day. It was like pre-made iced coffee with made with almond milk, mocha iced coffee. Yeah, I was like, let me try this out, man. The fact that they don't have no dairy in it, it's great, man. I as I done got older, I done became extremely lactose intolerant, man. So anything with a hint of milk, if milk is used in the bacon, if milk is used in mixing the drink, and milk is used in the sauce, whatever the case may be, it's a no go for me. So every time I go somewhere, I had to ask him, "Did you use dairy in this? Did you use milk in this? You know, this and that, like shredded cheese." And a lot of different cheeses don't really bother me, but if it has a milk base or heavy cream base, uh-uh. I tell them, man, cut that shit out. Mm. Point of control finna shift. If the point of control shifts, then we good. They finna push up. But as soon as this turns into 539, this volume node here, then that'll be the new point of control. Oh, excuse me. It's crazy how sometimes I get my entries a lot of times, and I get in before the point of control even shifts, and normally my entry area ends up turning into the point of control area. Yeah, I just need this sucker to break to the upside, man. Or I can move my stop, and then I let this bad boy run for the rest of the night. Go and get a power nap before work. 20, 20,706. 20,706. Trying to calculate how much I got left for this eval. 20,706. Twenty 706 minus 2645. I got $61 there. There we go. Point of control shifted. Now this should turn into support. That gives me confidence enough to be able to want to move my stop up a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Because if they come below this point of control, then they probably want to come down here and grab some of this. Prices are reversing, so it's dragging, doing it slow. Normally, like on reversals, it's confusing, you know, because you still got people trying to short it. A game of patience, man. A game of patience. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's gonna be a slow runner, man. Slow runner. They ain't broke back below that point of control. So that's good. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Now, when you start seeing shit shit like this on the Dom, you see I got 28, 29 orders print here, 30 orders print. You know what I'm saying? So the Bears are trying to step in, but they fell into push it down. You know what I'm saying? So that's absorption. So as fast as they trying to sell, the buyers are buying it back up. You know what I'm saying? Like when it's moving a lot faster, you can kind of see it kind of play out a little bit better. But when it's moving like real slow like this, it's kind of confusing. You know, it's like they reacted to it, pushed down what 4, 5 ticks. So, but they're not pushing down aggressive off of that many sales. The way it's moving is great. This is one of them patient smooths, man. Just gotta wait for it. Allow it to play out. Now I just need this candle to break out. This 1 hour candle to break out. Ooh, man. Slow as shit. Slow as molasses. Jeez Louise. Wish I could have hit that passing goal on that eval here the day before yesterday. Because they just renewed the motherfucker today. I would have passed it, before they renewed, then I wouldn't have had to pay that renewal fee. But All good. All good, man. 30 motherfucking minutes of sitting in the same goddamn spot. Shit, man. Stop bullshitting with me. There you go. Come on, man. Come on, give me what I'm looking for. 30 minutes of accumulation. Oh boy. There we go. We got it engulfing now. Engulfing on the 15th. We just need to stay right here. Move my stop in just a little bit tighter. I don't need them coming down here, messing around. Don't need them coming down here fucking around, man. Fuck out of here with that shit. I need a vacation, man. We gotta make this bag so we can take a vacation. We can go parlay, chill a little bit. This shit is ass. Give about 10 more minutes, man. About 10 more minutes and then. Man, I don't want to let a player be great tonight, man. Yeah, if they don't break out at 15 till and push up above this point of control at least, that's a potential problem for me. The previous hour candle barely engulfed that 1 a.m. candle. It didn't even engulf it, as a matter of fact. So that might be a problem. All right, 5 more minutes, man. 5 more minutes. All right, they coming to take me out. That's all good, man. They probably gonna go for that 1 hour fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? So we didn't get but a few ticks in profit. So that's all good. It's all good. We'll wait for them to sweep that level, and then we can take action on that. But yeah, it's just one of them slow nights, man. It be like that sometimes, you know. So I'll go ahead and cut the stream right here, and that'd be what that is, man. We should be live again next Tuesday. Next week, Tuesday next week, we'll be live again. So keep an eye on the channel, so you can set that notification reminder for Tuesday and lock in with me then, man. But like, yeah, it's all good, man. Y'all stay 10 toes. All right. No FOMO, man.
You ever go night night, nigga? You ever go night night, nigga? Everybody go night night, nigga.